How to recover a Spotify account without email or password. To recover a Spotify account without a password or the original email, you may follow up this process. So you can try alternative login methods to find your account. You can go to their login page. Let me just head you over there. You may tap on the menu at the top left, or you can directly open up the app and go to the login page. Tap on login, and you will be taken towards their login page. Now, what you can do is you can basically try alternative methods. So you can look out for options to log in with your Facebook account, your Apple account, or Google account instead. Or if you have signed with a phone number, you can try using that to log in and receive a code. And without any email address, you can just go ahead and do so, and you can attempt a password reset even if you do not remember your password. And that is one of the method available. If you can't still log in, what you can do is you can go over and contact Spotify support. So go to their support page, you can go over and search for Spotify support and hit enter, and you will be finding their support page. Tap on it, and by visiting the support page, and even if there is any kind of link available, you can just go ahead and provide the detailed information to support the team in your request. Describe the issue clearly and list any other email address that you may have used to sign up, and just go ahead and provide in every details. And if you suspect that your email address was changed without your permission, you may just need to contact someone's use the option called someone's taken over my account option in the Spotify contact form, and they should probably reach out to you in order to fix your issue. So these are some of the methods available if you'd like to recover Spotify account without email or password. So that's it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.